In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to manually install HP LaserJet P1005 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, I want you to copy the link that I have provided you at the description box below. Once you've copied it, open your Google Chrome browser and at the address bar, make a right click, click on paste so that you can paste the link that you have copied. So by that, click on the enter key in your keyboard and eventually you'll be navigated into this page where you can get to see the HP LaserJet P1005 printer. Scroll down and find for driver product installation software and there you can see basic drivers. Click on it and you need to download this basic driver. Click on download. And the moment you click on it, you can now start the downloading process. So to check the progress, navigate to the top right corner. You can see their download icon. Click on it. Wait until it would be done. And once done, there you can see this folder icon. Here in this folder or in the location where it is being placed to, you need to make a right click while selecting it. Click on this cat icon. Once done, close the windows being opened. Here at the desktop, make a right click and then this time you need to click on paste. Once you have successfully moved the file here, you need to double tap to extract or unzip the file, or either make a right click and use the WinRAR tool if you have to extract this one. So go with WinRAR and go with extract to. So wait until you'd be able to successfully create a new file folder here at the desktop. And once it's here, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. Here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, please navigate directly to the left pane and find for this option, which is called Bluetooth and devices. Click on that one. Once you click on it, proceed directly to the printers and scanners, and afterwards, you would be able to see this option called Add Device. Click on it, and kindly wait until you'd be able to reveal or open another window by clicking on Add Manually. So from here, please proceed to add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next. Click on this down arrow key and please choose among of these three. It could be 1, 2, or 3. Go with Next once you've set it and click on Have Disk. Click on Browse. So we need to navigate to the desk on the desktop and under the desktop there we can find the extracted file. Double tap here and there you can see the printer driver. Click on Open and click on OK. And here, find for HP LaserJet P1005. Click on Next. Click on Next and you can now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Once done, click on Next and click on Finished. And there it is. You have just successfully installed this printer driver HP LaserJet P1005 in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.